visa part. NDEB equivalency process, as I told you before, it consists of 3 exams: assessment of fundamental knowledge, assessment of clinical judgment, and assessment of clinical skills. Now, you can give these exams either in Canada or outside Canada. In outside Canada, these exams happens in some part of Europe, in New Zealand, and in Australia. So if you have to travel to these countries, you have to make your necessary visa arrangements. So NDEB doesn't give you guarantee that you will get visa for coming to Canada in order to appear for you for these examinations, but definitely it can issue you a letter stating the fact that you have registered with NDEB and you are coming to Canada for giving these examinations. So visa part is completely different thing, but even if you finish your NDEB equivalency and certification process, you need a valid work permit, or you need to be a Canadian permanent resident or citizen in order to practice dentistry in Canada. Of non-accredited dental programs, they have to go through NDEB equivalency and certification process in order to practice dentistry in Canada. First, I'll talk about BDS people. Now, NDEB is acronym for National Dental Examining Board. It conducts examination which you have to appear. They are called as a NDEB equivalency process. It consists of 3 examinations. First is AFK, which is an assessment of fundamental knowledge, followed by ACJ, assessment of clinical judgment, and ACS, which is assessment of clinical skills. So these 3 exams, they make NDEB equivalency process. So international dentists of non-accredited dental programs, they have to go through NDEB equivalency process. Once they finish their NDEB equivalency process by passing all these 3 exams, they have to appear for NDEB certification process. Now, Canadian graduates who have completed their DDS and DMD from Canadian universities, they also have to go through this NDEB certification process. Now, NDEB certification process consists of OSCE and written examination. So once you pass your NDEB certification process, you are eligible to register yourself as a licensed dentist in any of the 10 provinces and 3 territories of Canada. Now, there is something called as a dental regulatory authorities, which are designated in each provinces. They govern, they regulate the dental profession in each province. Like for example, Royal College of Dental Surgeons of Ontario is the dental regulatory authority for the province of Ontario. In case you have to register yourself as a registered dentist in the province of Ontario, you have to give additional 2 examinations, which are dental jurisprudence exam and IELTS exam, in order to register with Royal College of Dental Surgeons of Ontario. Once you do that, you can practice dentistry anywhere in Ontario. This is for BDS people. Now, for MDS people. MDS people have 2 options. Either they can go with the BDS flow, in which you have to first clear NDEB equivalency process, followed by NDEB certification process, and get their license to practice dentistry in Canada. Or the second route, if they want to register themselves as a specialist, dental specialist, in which they have done their MDS. Now, in order to do that, you have to appear for an exam called as a DESCI. DESCI stands for Dental Specialty Core Knowledge Examination. If you pass that examination, then you can appear for dental specialty and assistant program in 3 to 4 different dental universities, in universities which offer dental programs. So if you get selected, you have to do dental specialty and assessment training program for 1 year. Once you finish that program, you can register yourself as a specialist dentist by giving National Dental Specialty Examination. So then you will be registered as a specialist.